I don't actually know what I'm doing today entirely. Today I thought I would do kind of a Valentine's Day e-girl look. The reason why e-girl came to mind is because I'm on TikTok, and when people find that out, they're like, oh, you're an e-girl. I honestly think it's a really cute aesthetic. So I already have my foundation base on. I've had it on for a couple of hours, so that's probably why I look kind of gross. I had to work earlier, but I knew I was going to be making this video, so I didn't want to do anything with my eyes or my eyebrows because I wanted to focus on that while I also tell you about my computer troubles. So last night, while scheduling some videos and writing down my plan for the next 2 months or so. Oh, here I'm on putting on powder, and I have some contacts to put in. Now these are from Unique So. This is not sponsored. I wish it was. All right, so the contacts are in. So I kind of have pinky purple eyes now, so that kind of goes with the aesthetic. Oh, I was talking about my computer problems. Yes, okay, so last night I was scheduling things, writing things down in my planner, and then I remember that I wanted to change my YouTube profile picture. So sometimes it's really weird. So you don't change it through YouTube, you change it through your Google, which is really annoying, honestly. I went and did that, and then like 2 hours later, I checked it on my phone going through Twitter. My old profile was still up there. So I was just like, oh shoot, let me make sure it actually did it. So I pull out my laptop and I open it up and I go to Google. I have a MacBook and I use Google because when I was in school, a lot of applications that we had to use for school didn't work on Safari. So I open it, I'm diddling around, I have a couple windows open, testing things, and then suddenly it boots me out. It shuts down Google. So I was just like, oh no, it's doing the thing again. So I open it up. I open it back up. And it goes this really generic, very 2007 vibe search engine. And it's basically malware that hijacks your browser. And I'm just putting some lip gloss on because I'm not so dry off. Anyway, so usually you just go to the 3 little dots up on the right-hand corner, top right-hand corner, and click on it and go to your settings, go to your default browser or search engine, and delete that malware thing off of there, and then set Google back as your default. Well, I go in there and I find it and I noticed it's a little bit different. It's called something different. And I noticed this and I was like, okay, that's fun. And I can't talk and do eyebrows at the same time, even though there's not much to be doing. Click on the dots. That usually opens up options to either edit the browser option or delete it, remove it. Well, it popped up and the menu was empty. It was just a white rectangle. And I was like, that's not good. So I proceeded to spend the next 4 hours worried that all my information had been compromised. So that's what my boyfriend is working on right now in the other room. He's trying to fix it. I am going in with a base for the eyeshadow with Revolution Constellation palette. I absolutely love this palette. It is so pretty. And I haven't used this neon pink yet called Venus, but I think I might. I also have ColourPop X's Nose, so I'm going to get that out for options in red. I think I'm going to go more pink. And if you hear bells jingling, it's my cats. I have 3. Anyway, so this is what the ColourPop X's Nose palette looks like. I know they have a Valentine's Day palette, and I almost went and got it, but I've been having to save for moving, so I haven't been able to get any new makeup, and it makes me very sad. But, oh god, you know what? We're just going to go in. I wanted some Venus in there. We're going to go in there with Venus. Anyway, so that's, I look like I have pink eye. Anyway, so that's my technology crap I've been dealing with. Malware is so much fun. I mean, doing everything. I watched so many videos. I locked everything down. Yeah, I deleted and disabled extensions. I manually went through my computer files and tried to find anything that looked shifty or out of place. All right, so now I'm going in with Stay Golden from the ColourPop X's and O's palette. It's like a reddish pinky purple. Can you even tell there's anything in there? Can a little bit. There's a lot of pink going on. Oh no, I did it again. Hi Rackle Snaggles, you coming to visit? Is that so? Are you upset Mom is not paying attention to you? Here, come over here. You wanna meet? Come on. You wanna meet one of the gremlins? Yes. You sound like a chain smoker. Oh. So this is Ragnar. I've had him since he was like this big. He used to be able to fit in the fruit bowl. The reason his fur is so short is because I get him shaved every now and then. I got him shaved in December and it's starting to grow back. Look at that belly. Anyway. Alright. We about to... My under eye is so crinkly. When in doubt, just blend. Alright, so I got the other eye done. I don't think it matches, but well, how cute that is. This is another Makeup Revolution, I Heart Revolution Peach and Glow palette. I think it was $6 at Ulta. And I think I'm gonna diffuse this, oopsies, a little bit with some powder. Just the tiniest bit over top. I forgot blush. So, oh come on. Okay, so this is Peachy. She is my senior girl. Well, senior, she's gonna be 9 this year. I adopted her from the shelter. She's my gorgeous, gorgeous girl. She's my crackhead and my darling. And she's very chubby. And she's a heavy breather. Mom's gonna push down. Go girl. I think I have enough lashes left, natural lashes left to actually look like I've done something. They're just chilling at the door like they don't know how to get out. They're just... Peach in all her motherly glory. Alright, so this is the finished Valentine's Day e-girl, whatever this is. Look, emo, e-girl, TikTok, pink, Valentine's Day, clickbait video of my computer troubles. I actually wish I was going out tonight because this is super cute, but we're gonna stay in and drink wine and I'm very excited. If you like stuff like this, then give this a thumbs up. If you want something different, let me know in the comments of what you want to see. And just subscribe. All right, thanks guys. Bye.